Hello, my name is Mika Smith, and I own Hairlooms Salon in downtown Fairburn. And I just hope that I inspire you by just letting you know to believe in yourself, stay true to who you are, and just have a passion for what you want to do. I began this salon 5 years ago after my dad got ill. I was working in Noonan and was just doing really, really great. And I had got an award in Noonan from the Noonan Chamber for being a great small business, growing in a year and just thriving, you guys. And I had to make a quick decision when my father became ill. So I came to Fairburn, looked for a location, signed a lease, and just like, oh my God, what am I going to do? But my dad's health and me helping him meant way more to me than what was happening in the salon. So I moved the salon where I could be near the nursing home and can get to my dad in pretty much minutes, right? And he would ask me every day, Mika, have you found someone to work in there with you? You got to get someone in there. And I'd be like, no, Dad, not yet. Of course, he'll ask me the next day and the next day, and I'll say the same thing, no, Dad, not yet. And I said, Dad, before I work with anyone, I will close because I have to have professional people, people who can work, and be respectful to your space and just, pretty much self-sufficient. Well, my dad passed a couple of years later, and I told my husband, I said, well, I guess I'll go ahead and close because I really got this salon because I wanted to, in this area, because I wanted to be near my father. And I would say about a month after I made that comment, this beautiful soul walked in the salon and was looking for a space. Not only did I receive that person, it was that person and their sister. And they both have an amazing clientele and they are just so great to work with. So I began to cry and I was so excited because I had lost a little bit of my spunk, of course, after my father passed. I love the beauty industry and it has been great to me. So to not get only one great soul, but two, along with their great clientele, so that I can continue my journey as a salon owner in Fairburn, Georgia, has been an amazing journey for me. So if I can't say anything else and inspire you, I would hope that what you would gather from this is to just believe in yourself, love what you do, and just hang in there, and you too will be successful.